Welcome to the Prep Report Map, your first step in understanding your property before starting a project. The Prep Report Map is part of our Permit Review Efficiency Plan or PREP initiative to help applicants come prepared with crucial knowledge about their parcel. We encourage all applicants to begin their projects by utilizing community development tools and resources. The Prep Report Map is designed to inform you about features that may trigger additional planning considerations or require further reports to help preserve natural features on your property. Using the Prep Report Map is easy. Here's how you can get started. Begin by locating your parcel on the map, entering your address, and clicking on it to generate a report. The Prep Report Map classifies parcels into 3 categories. Green means no environmental features have been identified on your parcel. Yellow indicates that some of the parcel is located within a buffer zone or contains features such as seismic hazards, geohazards, shoreline jurisdiction, or critical aquifer recharge areas. Red means one or more environmental features have been identified on the parcel, requiring additional planning considerations. Sketching your project concept. Use the map tools to zoom in and sketch project ideas. These sketches can be printed for discussions with designers or community development staff. The Prep Report Map includes a measurement tool to allow users to begin illustrating their project. For example, here we will measure distance from a property line, setback, to help illustrate where my proposed structure will be built. The Prep Report Map also allows you to measure the area of a shape. This may help when measuring your project's planned clearing or hard surface area. Users can select the unit of measurement, including square feet, by utilizing the unit drop-down. Using the draw function allows users to illustrate further their proposed project, including allowing users to pin the location of certain features or draw proposed features such as proposed access, which we've done here. Using the Draw Shape feature, users can provide the approximate location of the proposed structures. This can be helpful when developing your initial ideas for site design and location. Once generated, you can print your prep report and prep map to facilitate discussions during consultations or virtual meetings. To print the prep map, click the Print Map Only button at the top of the page. This will allow you to select what template you wish to print on. For this, we'll use A3 landscape. Once your PDF is generated, it will populate and be a clickable link that you may print under the Results tab. To print your full prep report, select View and Print Report, and a PDF document will be generated for you to print or save. After reviewing your report, you can schedule an appointment with a land use planner at Community Development. They can help you understand the required reports based on identified features and your project details. To schedule, press the Click Here button on your prep report and select a prep report review, either virtual or in person. Then, choose your preferred day and time and enter your basic information. For quick questions, you can also use our live chat feature to connect directly with a land use planner. Live chat is available Monday through Thursday from 9 a.m. to noon. Starting with the Prep Report Map can ensure a smoother project planning process. Get prepared today by using this valuable tool. Visit our website to access the Prep Report and take the first step toward your successful project.